Hi there. Imagine this. You're working with your CRM system where you record all your contacts. Suddenly, you receive a new email. You think, I'll add it to the CRM later. But then you get distracted, move on to other tasks, and completely forget about it. And when you actually need that contact, you just can't find it. That's exactly why we created Email to Tasks, a simple way to convert your emails directly into tasks in your Monday workspace. Here's how it works. First, install two extensions, Email to Tasks for Monday and the Email to Tasks Chrome extension. If you don't have them installed yet, you'll find a detailed step-by-step installation video linked below this one. Then, open the email you want to save. And in the right corner, click the Email to Tasks icon. A sidebar will appear with the app. From here, you can either create a brand new template or use one of the templates you've already set up. Let's create a new one together. The first step is to choose the workspace and boards in your CRM system where you want the new contacts and leads to be saved. Then, select the fields you'd like to include. For example, if it's a status field, you'll be able to choose the exact same status options that you already use in your Monday workspace. Any template can be customized. You can add new fields, remove unnecessary ones, and adjust them anytime. Once your template is ready, you can easily fill in the fields. Select from suggested statuses, type in information manually, or simply copy and paste text from the email itself. Finally, click Create, and the new record will be instantly added to your CRM system in Monday. It's that easy. And it saves you from losing valuable contacts ever again.